this 2 cubes of Maggi. I'm going to put it in my fish. And then my dogs are there. If I want to fry those fish, wait, leave there. I'm going to spice the fish so that the fish will have taste. Because I did not boil it. I'm going to spice it. This is my garlic, blended garlic. I'm going to spice the fish.
Thank you,
so I'm
Mommy.
going to fry it.
This
is my black pepper. Stop. What is it now, Purity? Why are you licking it?
I'm licking garlic.
This is my nutmeg. And salt.
Salt is not good.
And that salt is not good. So I'm going to use that. So that is for that. Okay, something like that. My oil is already hot now. Mama, leave there, leave there.
But I want garlic.
So the fish, my oil is already boiled. It's hot. Stop licking it now. I'm not supposed to speak you. Why do you are licking the... I don't understand it, my friend.
I like it, Mama.
Huh?
I like it.